Carefully tilt the umbrella towards you and remove the top cap by turning it to the left. Place the umbrella back on its base and remove the ribs from the canopy pockets. Tilt the umbrella towards you and remove the canopy from the umbrella frame. Unfold the new canopy. Flip it inside out and place your arm inside the canopy as shown. Locate the hole at the top of the canopy and place 2 fingers through the hole. Tilt the umbrella towards you and place your fingers at the top of the umbrella frame. Flip the canopy over the frame as shown. Place the top cap back on the umbrella by turning it to the right without fully tightening it. Place the umbrella back on its base and place each rib into the canopy pockets. Tilt the umbrella towards you and tighten the top cap completely. Test the umbrella using the crank to open and close it, making sure the canopy is properly installed.